Hi friends, today we're going to make another cool present that you could give your mom for Mother's Day, and it's also just fun to make for yourself. So this is a cool thing. You can also put it in an envelope and send it to a friend, which would be a fun thing to do. We're going to make a puzzle. Okay, so I already drew this on a piece of paper. I used kind of a like cardstock, so it's a heavier paper. And this is gonna be my puzzle. So you just draw something all over the paper, color it, draw it, fill it up, and go all the way to the edge, okay? So once you've done that, and take as long as you want, I did a lot of different things in it because I like puzzles that are more easy to do, not all like one color or whatever. So once you've done that, I made a copy because I have a color copier. Then I can see what it looks like, right? Like on the edge of the box or on the front of the box on a puzzle, usually there's a picture. If you don't have a color copier, another thing you can do, or even just a regular black and white thing you can make a copy with, is just take a plain piece of regular printer paper, thin paper, and put it in front of your other one, and then tape it on at the top, or just on one side. Just put tape here, flip it over, the other side, do this over here, okay, and then hold it, put it against a window, and you'll be able to see through it. So I have this flashlight I'm just gonna show you. I don't know if that'll show up very good, but see that? Yeah, see how you can see through it with light when there's light behind it? So when there's light behind it in the window, you can trace it, just trace it with a pen and or pencil, and you'll have the basic shape of your puzzle, like the basic pieces, right? You'll know where stuff is, even if you just give kind of a rough trace. So that's another way to do that. And then when you're done, you can just, mosquito, you can just peel the tape carefully off the back of the puzzle, fold it over, and then you've got your key to your puzzle, right? Okay, so that's the first and second steps. Then I'm gonna take my puzzle piece, my puzzle itself, turn it over, and I'm gonna draw the shapes, right, that I'm gonna cut out. So, you know, a puzzle usually is kind of curvy on the inside, and then you've got the edges, and that helps you be able to find the edge of your puzzle. I like to always do the edges first. So I'm not gonna make it, wow, there's a mosquito that really wants to bite me. I'm not gonna make it super hard to cut out because I don't wanna make it like insane, but I'm gonna try and do curvy shapes here on the inside so that I have my other sides over here. You can make your pieces as big or as little as you want. Obviously it will be, whoops, I just did a straight line right there. I guess that'll be tricky, won't it? I'm not gonna make mine super big. Super little. Okay. So this takes a little time too. Be tricky to cut out. Wow, the mosquitoes are going crazy today. Okay, so I drew all of the shapes on the back of my thing. Now I'm going to daringly cut them out. If I can get rid of these mosquitoes, it would be super awesome. And even if I don't cut exactly on the line, it doesn't matter. This could take a while. Okay, we're cutting and we're cutting. So you see I'm getting pieces, right? I'm gonna make sure I keep all the pieces together so I don't end up missing a piece. I'm gonna try and experiment and try and pause this and then resume, and we'll see how that goes. So you don't have to spend so much time watching me cut, even though it's fascinating. Okay, I'm back. Here's the puzzle pieces that I've cut out, all of them. So then, of course, we'll just turn them over. I have my drawing or my key here, my picture of what the puzzle looks like. You know, really, you could probably do this. Hi, Max. You could probably do this even if you didn't have the picture, because there's no way that this is going to go together any way than one way. But I think it's always helpful to have a picture. Anyway, then there you go. Off you go, and you're making a puzzle. That's pretty fun. Max even thinks so. So, boink, put it together. It's fun. If you're making one for somebody that you're sending it to, or for your mom for Mother's Day, you could write something on it like, I love you, you're a great mom, whatever, right? Okay, have fun. Life can be puzzling, but we'll work it out together.